Today is a new Guru type video, and I'm gonna be seeing the new update. I have not saw it yet, so let's see it right now. Is this the new? Yeah! Woo! Oh, it's my first time seeing this. This is cloud. Oh!
Hey, yo, look at the jersey.
Is it just me seeing the Daily T?
Is it just me?
Just me. Oh, what's the number?
Well, I'm about to buy this. Yeah, I'm gonna buy that.
I can't buy nothing, bro. Everything in this new update.
Become monkey.
I just went on the item shop and looked. This is.
Oh, the cookie. I like that.
Yeah,
I can see the price now. 400. My brother can buy that. 200, 300, 250.
Can you guys send me some things?
See that free one?
I'm broke. I can't afford that.
There's more?
What about
Oh,
shoes,
this is more.
Daddy?
No.
Oh, what about shoes? I can't afford these shoes.
And
But I'm not afford these.
600. First time I'm doing something go from 600.
I swear I
Yo.
Shiny rocks, we are probably bicycles.
Ooh.
There's such a stuff spinning our shiny rocks.
Wow. First umbrella in the world.
Shiny
I
rocks.
must see this. Hillbilly. Wow. Oh.
Watch out.
Oh. Hey, I still got this? Yo, don't do that, bro.
Hey, what?
Say that.
Shut your ugly ass up, bro. What are you talking? You puppy. No, your mom don't look at him. Your mom don't look good on the bed. I shake it my daddy. Bro, this is literally ghost. There's a ghost.
Person.
Guys, there's a ghost in this lobby. I got kicked. Guys, I'm about to buy this.
Oh, bro.
Bro,
I'm gonna report you for hate speech because you said the N-word. And I'm gonna mute you too. Bro, Blue said the N-word. Blue. Light blue said the N-word. Oh, boom. Boom. My kid! I forgot! I have a kid.
I got a ghost. Bro, I'm not a ghost.
Flumzo! Hey, Flumzo! Give me Flumzo. Hey, look at my kid from Flumzo. Ooh, party.
Guys, did anybody like my new
Party.
thing?
How you do this?
I bought all of this.
Frog.
I bought
Frog.
all of this, and I bought these arms.
Black K out.
What's up, bro? Want a cookie? Grab a cookie. Take a cookie.
But first, we have happy, sad. I'm trying to blow the eyes.
I am so disappointed.
Whoa.
Caves is freaking from Timo. I swear, it is weird. What the?
Grinch.
4-year-olds can do better than that.
This looks cool. Holographic.
Do not go on rotating map.
I'm hungry.
Rotating map? I don't know where that is. Come here. Suppose
I bet.
they said that they brought back old caves, but look it. If you go down there, it's supposed to be old caves. You can look on the thing.
Old caves?
But it's literally a 4-year-old can do better. Wow. What's the best color?
Hold on.
Rotating map?
Let's see that.
What's the best
People
color?
calling.
Hold on. Is it supposed to be a snow map or something?
Nah, bro. People is
I just want to warn you.
calling it some.
It's straight up trash. It's
I know,
it's
bro.
not
Bro,
even
you
original.
said something about off-brand cave, so I'm gonna go see what it is.
It looks like Timu. It looks like it's from Timu.
Come on, I'll tell you the color code.
Wow.
Oh,
What?
what the hey? No, this is the off-brand cave, cuz.
The code's LIL if you want to.
This is the off-brand cave.
If you want to play good. If you want to play mini games.
This is sick. What is down here? Is there a ghost in here?
This is the off-brand cave, bro. Actually, I'm gonna go
You want
explore.
to play the bathroom?
I'm kind of
This is
scared.
caves, but off of freaking Wish. Since when did freaking Wish buy caves?
This ain't caves. I like this crystals, though. I like the crystal. Look cool. Wait, what?
Get back here, Black. Oh, I'm not red.
Black. Ha, you're racist. Actually, you are.
Minigame that I made.
Yeah. I'm gonna make this minigame called the back room. This is called the back room minigames.
Yes, it's caves revamp basically.
Yeah.
Caves but goofy.
This was supposed to be their April Fool's Day.
It's caves, but it's
No, it wasn't.
It's the first ever caves update.
Yeah, that is what that is racist.
Bro, oh my god, you're so annoying. Bro, do you want to play a minigame I made?
No. No minigame.
Nah, bro, this is my new minigame, bro. I'm gonna ask people to play the back rooms with me.
I totally
Because
didn't do
this
anything.
is the back rooms.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
I found a secret hiding spot. If I get last, that would be good. Alright.
When you're trying to get quality,
I got tangled up with my wires.
You monkey! You monkey! Why you tag me?
it's almost like they turned off every single graphic.
Kangaroo type post attack.
I mean, look at the crystals.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah, at least the crystals look cool. I'm not gonna lie.
Every single material in this freaking caves is literally bought off of freaking
Timu, bro. Yeah, bro, this is freaking the Timu caves.
Bro, they got square light bulbs.
I bet I'm leaving. How you get out of this?
I know.
I drop off like over here.
I will touch your booty cheeks if you skibbity again.
Yeah.
I'm a skibbity. I'm skibbity
I'm
right
gonna eat
now,
a bubble.
skibbity.
Alright, bro actually wants to get touched.
No.
I want to get sucked.
Nah!
Skibbity.
Ooh, I found it. I found the area. Two.
How do I get out?
Rah.
You don't.
This ain't no cave map.
This ain't no cave map. This ain't no cave map. What the freaking person just said, bro?
I got a couple minigames. Everybody follow me to
Alright.
stop, okay?
I'm going to
Guys, follow
check
me
out
to stump.
more cosmetics.
Guys, follow me to stump.
Everybody.
Alright, become like.
Guys, follow me to stump, okay?
Guys, I got a code, okay?
Guys, the code is my name. Guys, the code is my name. Okay?
Ooh.
Guys, the code is Megan.
Ooh!
It's my name. Everybody.
My favorite cosmetic in the world, right here. Should I buy this or not? I don't know. Buy this. I think and the wings. I be seeing pros with this and the wings, for like on the wall for like. There's no cosmetics. These are like the two cosmetics they have. Like fly up the wall. And this
What should I
the
buy?
plunger.
I had the egg book when I first started. No, we don't have
All right.
ever free cosmetics.
Okay?
Should I buy this hat?
Guys, okay? Join the code. Everybody, okay? Join the code TCM.
I should feel my control.
So the last thing I'm gonna do,
And back.
Yo, anybody want to play mini games? Oh.
I wanna see the map. Well, this map.
You got a man.
Nice one, mate.
But I'm not gonna go yet. I'm gonna play one game.
Bro, come here. Bro, you get banned for 8 weeks. That happened to me. Yeah, you get banned for an hour though.
I'm gonna play for one
I'm not hacking.
game.
I got accused of hacking in the
And
last
that's
game.
the
And I
hammer.
told them I was using hacking code.
at all.
No.
No,
Well, no, not like get off, but I'll be done with this video.
you actually all good.
I'm not gonna redo.
You want some cheese, bro? You want some cheese?
I'm right here.
Hey, wait, up here.
Go, go.
Yo, I'm pink. I'm pink.
Your gay cat disconnect. Where'd you go? Bro, your pink disconnect.
bro. GG's.
Hi, Pepsi. Hello. Hi, Purple. Hold on.
Yo.
I'm going to get that purple, man. Purple's scared. Purple, bro, that's kind of sad. Bro, just said. Have you got long arms?
I don't get one of those.
Off this tree, we jump over there. I found Pepsi, you're wrong. Pepsi, Pepsi D.
Yeah?
I want to play video games. Come to
Why you just got a big
No!
Pepsi D, can you two-hand elevate?
Two-hand elevator.
Wait, what?
I used to, yeah.
ND12.
Monkey!
No, tag me, no, tag me. Let me do this.
Nah! I'm going so fast, bro. Why freaking rock monkey, lava monkey, so fast? I'm trying. I want to test. One thing I want to test before I get off. No. Alright.
I can do this fast.
Before I leave,
Yeah, let's go. Come on, everyone.
I want to say goodbye. That was all
No!
about the update.
Pepsi D, run!
Guru attack.
You guys doing a stare off?
To subscribe
Okay.
and like a follow because I have a TikTok account.
Everybody fight.
So, ready?
Wait, is that Pepsi D? Man,
But
I'm
I don't
having a
post
gun.
much
No,
on
me,
it
I'm not going to say.
Your Pepsi D, your
Guess what?
Pepsi
I'm
D.
cheating. I have a gun.
because
Pepsi D. Purple.
I was starting this channel.
Don't listen, Ghost Monkey. I saw that.
This will be done. I will still post on it. And goodbye.
Purple. That's a Pepsi D.